today's video, we're going to play a game. Joomla Extension Roulette. What is that game? Will we play it again? Who knows? We'll see. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Watch Me Work live stream 85, I think it is today. You know, I do the titles and then I forget right away. Hey, apparently there's no thumbnail on today's live stream again. There is when I look on my YouTube interface, so it may be because I created this right at the last minute and it didn't get uploaded to all of their system anyways. Yes, today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru to get a free site audit for your Joomla site or your WordPress site. And check out all the cool things that you can do there with managing one site or multiple sites. And if you decide to get a subscription, use the coupon code BASICJoomla and you'll get your first month for free. All right, so what the heck is Joomla Extension Roulette? Well, here's, low sound. Oh my goodness. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. Something is, there we go. Something is resetting my volume. The software has really been acting up lately. There we go, it'll be back. I've turned the volume up. I have no idea why that is happening. All right, so hopefully you could make out what I was saying on the last one. So what is Joomla Extension Roulette? Well, it is an idea I came up with after my plan for today fell through towards the last at the end. So I thought for fun, what we would do, and we need a few people that are going to participate in chat for this. What we're going to do is pick some numbers at random, and we're going to use that to navigate through the Joomla Extension Directory, and we'll randomly check out one extension, and we'll see what's happening with it today. And if we end up with a dud or something's not working, we'll just pick some new numbers. So, who's in chat ready to go? Bjorn is there. We have 5 people viewing. I might make, maybe I'll just make Bjorn pick all the numbers here. But we'll see. Okay, so here's a couple of ideas that came up just for the rules for this game here. So the extension has to be free. So, hello, Ivor. The extension has to be free. So if we end up on a paid one, we're going to go to the next one that is free. So the Joomla Extension Directory, let's go there right now. And let me turn my screen on here. So we'll go to extensions. Oops, a daisy here. Okay. Oh, that's why I can't see. I haven't changed my glasses yet. Extensions dot joomla.org. All right, and extensions.joomla.org is laid out so that we have what I'm going to call sections, categories, and then inside those categories there are actual extensions. And so what I need from you in chat for us to get this going, we'll see how well it works. So the great thing about YouTube is I can always just delete this if it's terrible. Hello, Imran. Great. We got at least 3 people in chat there. And anyway, so in chat, just type a random number for section, category, and extension. Just off the top of your head. We'll refine the rules for this game as we go along. So just type each of somebody. First, we'll take the first 3 numbers in order. Oh my goodness, Chuck. Chuck says 73. All right, check that. Okay, so that's all right. We're going to refine these rules. Breadsy says 3. And we need a number from Imran or Ivor. Come on, man. Pick a number. Oh, Johan. Hello, Johan. Johan goes with the 12. All right. So, 73, an aggressive choice by Chuck. I don't think there's 73 sections in here. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, so that was a good try. We can't even half your number, Chuck, but I'm gonna change Chuck's number. We'll just take the 7 on it. But let's remember that there's 34 sections. in this game. All right. The 3 and the 12 should work. So let's go 7. We'll take the 7. And Ivor's in there with Mary's got an 8, and Ivor's in there with the 36 and 3. So we'll use those. Maybe we'll do another round. Okay. Oh, Chuck says 7th section, 3rd extension. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna just take the 7, Chuck. Imran throws a 19 in there. All right. So let's go. Let's go with just Chuck 7 for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E-commerce. Alrighty. And our next number was a 3, so we'll go 3 categories down. And that's donations. Let's click on donations. Now we're going to go to the 12th extension, and we'll go to the first one that's free after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, Simple Pay. Simple Pay is free. All right, so let's check that one out. We'll do another round. I'll scroll back up to your numbers. Imran's, what's this? Okay, 1 number per person. Imran's got 19,5 there. All right, so here's Simple Pay. Simple Pay is a Simple Pay module, adds a donation box to your site. All right, so let's download it. And there it is, Simple Pay from FA Software. Albanico.ch, which I know is Switzerland because it's not China. Okay. Oh, Imran's explaining his choices there. All right. So we are doing Simple PayPal, right? Simple PayPal, I think is what it was. Simple Pay, probably this one here. It's a module, Simple PayPal. It's easy, a donation module box. All right. So let's download that. And let's see. Oh, here's the download page here. We have to agree to the terms. All right. Download there. Let's just make a new folder up here called Roulette. And you really like the thumbnail. I got a roulette wheel on it and everything. And we'll have that. All right. Let's go to nosecrets.basicjoomla.com. Right, and we'll go extensions, manage, and install. And let's go, we'll upload our package file. Here we are here. And we will open, and we'll show in folder. Great, and we'll drag that over. And we'll go down to modules. I go to extensions and modules. View the latest one added by sorting the ID column. There's Simple PayPal. We'll just toss this in position 7. 7. Position 7. All right. We will publish it, and let's check this out. So we got some language stuff happening here when you mouse over. So something didn't quite install with the language files. But we can probably figure that out. Registered PayPal mail address. So that's where you would put your PayPal address. Not here. I think I'm webmaster@cybersalt.org. Cool. You put that. Simple PayPal reason. The reason for the donation. Let's see. Well, let's just fill this in and see what happens here. Currencies that are offered, yeah. The amount. All right. And what's this here? Let's see. Mod simple. Hold on for a sec here. Amount field description. It's not okay. Amount field. All right. How the amount that people are putting in. Do you want to show an amount field? Yes. A link to return to when it's successful. All right, a link on your page. A link to go to when it's being canceled. If someone cancels a purchase, okay. And then the local currency, probably going, or local, all right. So text, and thank you for donation. This is a message after. All right. Open new window. This one is not even mousing over, maybe because it just fits in there. All right, let's see what happens here. Assignments, that's normal. Permissions, a note. Okay. We'll go up there. And okay, we have the little language issue there. So that would be something you could contact the developer about to see what was happening with the language file. But what we end up with here is a little field. Someone could go in here. They could donate some money, $50. They can select their currency, and then they would click here. And we would presume that on the back here, there wouldn't go, I'm not setting this up anyways, webmaster. On the back here, after it was successfully donated, it would return to this page, and it would, if someone said, oh, I don't want to donate, change my mind, they'd go back to this page here, which could be any URL on your site saying, hey, thanks for thinking about it anyways. So pretty simple, a little issue there with the language files installing, but not something that couldn't be overcome. Probably, I don't know, make your own language file. It probably makes most sense to contact the developer, and then they would probably help you out with that, and they would probably fix it. All right, so let's unpublish that. Let's close here. I guess we need to go back to extensions, joomla.org. All right, let me go up here. We used, all right, so we used 73. We used Bretzi's 3, and we used the 12 from Johan. So and Chuck suggested the 7th there. Let me get a little piece of paper here for me to jot this down on. So the next number coming down that we run into after that is Mary's 8. Man, I think I could find it. I have so much paper around here. All right, so Mary's 8. That will be work for the section. We'll take Ivor's 36. And then we'll take Johan's 19. I'm just going to go one number each. All right, so 8, 36, 19. Now, let's see. 36 might be a challenge, but we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 takes us to structure navigation. 36 works very well because the category menu systems has 154. Wow. Here we go. All right. Oh, let's see. And these are 3 to a row, and we're doing 36, so that's 12. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6. Second page is, that takes us, oh wait, so 1, 2, 3, 6 is 18. All right, 6. Oh man, I should have known better than to try to do math on my live stream. All right, so those first 6 rows of 3, that was 18. So 36 is going to be the bottom right-hand one, but Spider Menu is a paid, hold on for 8. Oh, hold on. I'm playing this wrong. Let's go back. I'm playing this wrong. 8 for the section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. All right. Then we go into the, okay, the 30. Oh, this would be the 36th. So that's 36. But we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So why don't I take the 3 from the 36, and that takes us to sitemap, and the number is 19. This is why you shouldn't play roulette. The number is 19, but there are not 19. There's actually, it looks like there's 18. So why don't we just default to the last free one, and we'll which is closest in this case. So that's JL Sitemap SWJ Projects. All right, let's check that out. Plugin for integrating JL Sitemap and SWJ Projects. Oh, what's an SWJ project? Huh. SWJ product is projects. We better Google that. We will Google SWJ projects. SWJ Projects, Digital Projects Manager for Joomla. Oh, okay. And so maybe we'll just keep following the path, since that's a sitemap. That was the sitemap extension for showing this. Why don't we check this out? Is it free? It is free. All right. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to lead us somewhere. Package SWJ Projects. Okay. Here we go. Let's extensions, manage and install. Let's show this in the folder. And drag it over. Okay. And since it looks like it's going to be a component, we'll go up here. And here we go. SWJ Projects. Let's go to the main control. Let's go new. Let's see what this thing does. New project. Okay, well, this is English language there. Metadata, let's go plus. Okay. I don't know. This is a new project. All right, and we'll save it. Oh, invalid field property. Oh, select the project. Oh, and add version of a project. All right, so need to back up a little bit here. Version. Oh, let's go to the projects window. New. Okay, this is a new project. This is a new project. New project. And the full description is, I guess maybe I should post the links to these too, right? If you want to follow along or play along. Okay. New project, new project. Full description. Element. Element is used for file names. Yeah, what element is used for file names? Element. Let's go element field. All right. Category. No category over there. So let's go save. All right. There's probably, maybe there's documentation for this. However, so we'll cancel this. Categories. Oh, here's documentation. No. All right. It does. This is free, so that's all right. Keys. Categories. Keys is something we can make new. Okay. Categories. Category. All right. The category. This is a category. Yeah. Enter version, category, etc. first. Yes. I'm figuring that out. So this is probably a good example of how when you lay out things in the back end of your site, do them in the order, because this is the we are witnessing the natural usage by a dumb guy. Title, description, keywords, indexing. Okay, we won't do anything there. So we create a category, and now we're going to create a project. And I'm not being critical. I'm just because as we know in Joomla, there's lots of free extensions and lots of people trying things and donating their time. So I appreciate that. It's just great. It's good to. It's just good. Good feedback to watch people use your stuff. This is a project. All right. Short description. If you're just tuning in, we're playing Joomla Extension Roulette. We're randomly finding some we're just randomly finding some Joomla extensions from the JED and seeing what we see. Excuse me. All right, additional categories. Oh, multiple categories. That's cool. A lot of extensions do not have not had that in the past. Of course, we have it now in Joomla 3.9, but excuse me. Oh. All right, so we'll save and close that. Now, versions. Let's create a new version. All right, so select the project. Okay, I get it. So you're working on something here. So this could be version 1.0.1. And okay. Software would be the SWJ Projects. Okay, cool. And the title is going to be my module. This is my first module. Okay. And we could also add another field here. Title for that field, my module. What it does. This what my module does. Excuse me. Why could you really use a drink? Peeking around the curtain there. I did not have time to grab my cheese and or something to drink this morning, so I just whispered to my wife if maybe she would grab me something. So that is great. Okay, so that's there. Now, what file are we working on? Okay, let's find. Let's just. I don't know. I'm gonna just grab this JSON file. Let's see. Well, we probably should use a PHP file, maybe, right? Let's go up here to delete. All right. PHP. Do I have any PHP files in here? None in the delete folder. I thought I tossed a few in there. No. Oh, now this is not responding. Let's go desktop. But PHP. I might have. I don't. There's not much reason for me to have a PHP file anywhere. Oh, and it's looking for it based on the file name down here. All right, let's see here. Oh, here's an override that I was playing around with. All right, so there's the file there, the ID that's put into today's date. Layout, yep. Downloads, none. Metadata, we'll leave that there. And let's save that. Okay, so there must be something in the front end for this. So let's see here. Menu. That's add, manage, add a menu item. No, I accidentally clicked add a menu. There we go. New. All right, so let's see here. SWJ Projects. Let's add a link to. Let's go to the project page. And now let's select the project. This is a project. SWJ Project. So this is it's coming to me that this, we'll put this on the main menu. We'll save. This is for managing software projects. Yeah. So let's refresh. Here's our link. Project full description. What's new? Okay. Oh, and here's where the person can download the file. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, because there's this is an oh, and look at that. I gave the name down there. This is an element 1.0.1-rc.php. Oh, this is very cool. And that's good. Then, of course, and then there's versions over here. Ah, that's okay. Cool. Alrighty. This is starting to join the brain cells together for me here. So if we go back here, you can, let's go to components, projects. Okay, so let's go to this project. All right, so let's say we have a new version of a project. So we go here, we select the project. We say what the new version is. This is 1.02. Thanks, honey. The cheese is here. So then, now let's see, in our test fields, this is a project short description, download free. This is a category. Click on here. Oh, there's the title. My module. This is my first module. What it does. That was just some information. Okay, so this is going to be very handy for people who are actually have projects. I was thinking project in the sense of you're working on a project for someone, but this is really focused on software. So you could do another version. All right, let's try this. Another title. I won't use the shift button because I have cheese in my hand here. Vinny says hi, Mrs. Tim.
Hi, Vinny.
Maybe you heard that. She says hi. She is working away. Hey, can you guys hear Susan typing in the background? Because sometimes she's left when I'm doing live streams, but if you can't hear her typing back there, then that's fine. All right, let's just save this here. There's this is a project 1.02. I'll go here, refresh. Oh, and here's okay. So here's where you would offer people different versions that they could go download and try. Nice. And of course, you could always just unpublish the item. Oh yeah, they can't hear you typing, honey. But that's okay. This is like the CyberSalt World headquarters is like Oz, and Susan is the wizard behind the curtain running everything, which is good. Any of the negative characteristics of the wizard behind the curtain, I do not apply to my wife. I just think it's great that she runs a lot of stuff around here. All right, so, well, that's pretty cool. Now, Imran says this can be achieved with Breezing Forms breezing content, and that you're fond of those two and you create multiple items. So, yes. And I guess the caveat to Joomla Extension Roulette is that in no way are we is this saying that this is the best one or the worst one or anything. This is just something fun to look around at. All right. Have I overlooked anything else here? Keys. What would a key be? Oh. Would a key be... I don't know. Oh, suitable for book selling project. Well, I was thinking that, Imran, that if you had documents that you were offering to people and you kept updating them, so for instance, a support manual for software, and it was always current, you could make the older versions available of the manual here. And of course, you could use other extensions for that. So to be fair, I'm not, as you know, I'm not a programmer. I only play one on YouTube. And so anyway, someone's put some pretty cool work in here, and has obviously, I'm sure there are elements of the design here that I'm totally missing by not being a developer, that someone would look and say, oh, this is great to use. And the great thing about Joomla, of course, is this, check this out, is that already I've got a section here. Oh, look, they've got the button that's green for the most recent one. I already have a section here where I could put versions of things and make them available, which you can't do with Joomla articles because you can only show the latest version. You have to have different actual versions in it. So for managing downloads, that's great. I like it. All right. Do we have any other numbers? Let's see here. We have figured out... Oh, I've lost my paper. Now, Bretzy has Category 3, Section 3, Extension 10. Let me just see if we used up any of our numbers up here. That's the roulette thing. I trust everyone. That's why everybody in this channel has a wrench, pretty much, I think. But it's fun to have everyone pick a different one. But let's see here. We did 36, 19. Let's see what we've got up here. So we used Imran's 19. All right. Bradsy's got 3 numbers. Let's do this 3, 3, and 10. And if it goes to an extension that he made, we'll know that the game is rigged. Otherwise, just toss some more single numbers in there. All right. First of all, let's go close this. And let's see. We need to... Well, I don't need to remove this because... All right. Let's see here. Where's the extensions? I know. I know you don't make extensions. That was a joke. Okay, so go to extensions. All right, we're going to 3, 3, and 10. 1, 2, 3. The third category, and then we're going to the 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy pricing table. Okay, that is paid download. So we'll go to the next one. Edby. Turn your Excel spreadsheet or Access database info into a powerful online database application with a few clicks. All right. Let's try that. Innovative, frustration-free for fast, simple, and really easy publishing, managing, collecting, and sharing data stored in Excel spreadsheets or Access databases. Use the wizards to create search forms, reports, and administration systems without any programming. You can actually do the whole thing within 15 minutes. Oh, my goodness. Bjorn, what have you done to me? All right. Yeah, no, we're gonna check it out. All right, so let's download it, and we'll save it. Now notice here, it says date added 2015, January 26, 2017. But I don't know if this always gets updated manually or what happens. Okay, so let's go here. Extensions manage and install. Let's close this here and this here. And that there and that there. All right, upload. Oh, so Imran, you've looked at this. Okay. I go here, show in folder. And okay, so for more on DB, please visit DB service, create free account. Okay. All right. I don't know what's going on with Bredsy and Imran in there, but we'll just take this as coincidence that we ended up in here. All right. Publish your data on DB. Okay. Let your data work for you. Publish online in seconds using our hyper-fast, secure, and easy solution. Building XML data exchange projects. Adding files and pictures to a database. Okay. Oh, they've got a YouTube channel. Free register. Upload Excel or Access file to server. Our easy-to-use wizards will help create an application. Copy and paste application to your website. Oh, boy. All right. So, that's all right. We've installed this. Let's read a bit more of the description here. Oh, you were looking for data transfer and looking for help from yeah, no, that's fine. It's all good, guys. I guess you can hear the traffic out front too, eh? Especially motorcycles going by. All right, so simply collect, manage, and publish data on your website. Use an Excel spreadsheet or Access database. One-click integration with Joomla, simple, intuitive, and designed. All right, so install the DB plugin on your Joomla site. Go to the site administrator, click on Extensions Manage, type the word DB in the search box. Go to the site administrator, Extensions Manage. Click the install button. Oh, okay, yeah, that's okay. I see what's going on. Activate the plugin. I'm just reading this, just trying to figure this out. Extensions, open in new link. Let's go to the end here. Content. All right, let's look in here. Turn your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so you're gonna. Oh, all right. So this is a plugin that's going to put in spreadsheets in there, and you use this key here. You just need a project key. All right. So I've copied that as an example. Oh, key truncated. Yeah, okay, key truncated. Okay. So we're going to need to register here. All right, I'll register. I will register. And title. I'll be a Mr. today. How's that? Tim Davis, Cybersalt. Confirmation link. I will agree to that and register. Please wait. By the way, the link for this is this. All right. All right, so sorry, let's go back here. Check your inbox for confirmation. So I just going to go chat on the right here. And I'll go into my mail program here. We'll just wait for this to arrive. Don't think it would take too long. There's an email on hand sanitizers. No. No. All right. So it looks like here. Let's just wait for this email to come in. Computer chat on right. Right computer screen. There we go. Yeah, check the spam. It's DBB. I'm the address that I used is in my G Suite account. So that's not it. We'll just keep looking here. Might just take a couple minutes. No. All right. Well, we will just we'll give that a couple of minutes. Let me here. I'll check on my phone. Sometimes my phone sees things before my computer does. YouTube not live on your channel. Oh, you know, I have a thumbnail that went out in this email. So maybe Bjorn, you were just lucky and didn't get a thumbnail. All right. Yes, not here yet. Ah. Okay, so there's some. Okay, well, let's see here. It says please allow up to 5 minutes. All right, so they might, who knows, depending on their setup there. All right, we have a little bit of a lull here. Let's take a look at this here. Let's see if they have anything for Joomla. How to add a DB project to your Joomla website. Oh, that's always encouraging when a site's got instructions for us. To quote Joomla.org, Joomla is an award-winning... Okay, we get it, yeah. However, Joomla removes certain HTML tags because of security reasons, among them iframe and script tags. Therefore, in order to connect your DB project with your Joomla site, you should use shortcodes for embedding shortcodes or for embedding DB projects in your Joomla page or post as iframe or script element. And then you need to install DB extensions for Joomla, either IDBB or IDB for both. So is this an extension that they made? Oh, the developer. Oh, okay. So they made this extension for Joomla to run in their service. Excellent. Well, that's very good. All right. So install the DB extension. Go to your Joomla control panel. Yeah, we know how to install that. We've done that. Select the extension you want to install. And we've got two here. Looks just like the same. Okay, install, collect your, and okay. Enable the plugin, we've done that. To add your DB project in your Joomla website, follow the instructions below. Log into DB account, select the project you want. Click on the Get Code button. All right, we're going to do that. Scroll down and select and copy the text from the appropriate box in the Joomla plugin. All right. Text from the appropriate box in the Joomla plugins code. Joomla plugins code. Okay, great. So we would get that. We would then get that. Add the code. Just paste in your content, and that's it. Oh. All right. Let me grab my mail over here and see if it comes in yet. Not here yet. All right, so well, why don't we just do this? Yeah, it does look interesting, Mary. So all right, so let's pretend. All right, we know what we're doing here with Joomla. So oh, I guess I can't really log into this db.com thing either till I have access to that. But I'm guessing what they have here is why don't I just go to their YouTube channel here and check this out. Watch this, and just in case there's music here, meet Sean. We have music here. Oh, I can't. Yeah, all right. Meet Sean. Recently, he's got. Actually, you know what? I have the software that they made this this video with the hand that's writing. It's called. Yeah, what is it? I forget. All right, you got new clients. I forget what this is called. Yeah, he wants some new clients. He wants some awards and help his business grow. But there's a problem. What's the problem? Client wants a custom database application. Wah, wah. Oh, no. All right, so database, publish your database online. And Sean's not good with databases. Sean's a lot like me. Fortunately, Sean discovered a new service. Woohoo! Way to go, Sean. What a great day. All right, Sean. Using DB, Sean made a custom database application with just a few mouse clicks. Okay. And made his clients very happy. Doodle, that's right. Hey, William, how you doing? William, I haven't checked my email yet today. Chat just ended last when you asked me how my Pokemon Go Fest went. I saw that, and then I answered, but that was after the stream, so I don't know if you got my email yet, but it was very good. Yes, Doodly. That's pretty. I got Doodly just as an aside, and and I used it. It was like a one-time deal or something like that. I even bought one of the upsells on it, and I used that to do introductions for one of my clients to their videos, and they were thrilled with it, and that work paid for it, and now I have it for free. So, all right, so it looks like if I get this correctly, let me just check my mail again here. Nothing from DB yet here. So if I get this correctly, on DBB, you create a database. You have a database, and people are that is running here on dbb.com. And then you embed that on your Joomla site, and so when people go to it, they can enter the data and everything, but it's actually going to the database that you've set up with DBB. So that is pretty cool. How do I like that? You've been thinking about getting that in Toonly. So let's see. We could, I like Doodly. I think as far as, I noticed that there, and I haven't used it actually for a while, so I should check out what they've added. I think I noticed after getting it that there were some other, when I saw other things like that, other displays with cartoons and doodling and things like that, or drawing, that there were some things that I really liked about those videos that I saw, and I thought, oh, I don't think I could do that in Doodly. So it was great for me for doing the introductions, but I've not looked at it for a bit. So we could check that out. Yeah, without me being able to log in, frequently asked questions. Why don't we check this out here? How did I get the wrong glasses back on? Can you delete some of my projects? I did not realize creating more than one. What is the project? What happens? Okay. What's included in the free plan? Okay, yeah, let's check that out. You can use 4 basic wizards, query and browse detail. Free plan is limited by a number of records, rows in your Excel sheet, or access database table in a way that only first 30 rows will be used. Collect data application will stop working when number of rows exceeds 30. So they've got something. Yeah, you could play around with this and try it out. What kind of stuff does this cost? Free of charge is the free plan. $9.95 a month. Imran, no, you didn't miss anything because we're still waiting for my email to come through for me to approve that. This might be something for me to revisit, though, on using this system here. $6.95 a month to pay it annually. Cloud hosting, unlimited records, unlimited users, 30 projects, gigabyte of transfer each month, no power by DB, footer, upload size 100. All right, well, so I think we have the gist of this one. If you want to have a database on a website that people can go in and do data entry and record keeping and some various things, and without developing that yourself, and you can just embed this into your Joomla site. All right, so cool. All right, well, let's wait a little while. Maybe we'll see. Let's just maybe my email will come in. Someday my prince will arrive. Nothing there. Okay, nothing yet. All right, so let's check this out. Do I have this will go D? Oh, I do have the app on my computer. Right, let's check out Doodly here. And, I haven't used this in a long time. Let me do this off screen just in case they're not obfuscating. I'm probably doing, right. Oh, an update is available. I'm going to apply the update right now. Oh, it's going to do it on the screen here. Great. All right, so let's go. That's not good. CY cybersalt@gmail.com. Typing is not very good today. Yeah. Forgot password. All right. They sent me an email with a pin to reset it, which is going to be in this browser here. Like that. Go Gmail. And will I get this one quick? Oh, I got that one quick. What's my pin? All right. Put that one in there. And it's going to be okay, update, and I agree. All right, so here we go. I am logged in. I should actually add this shortcut to this on my browser so I didn't forget about it. Yeah, so and I will just keep, let me just check my mail again here on that other thing. No, not yet. All right, so doodly. Okay, so here's, let's see. Here's, like, for instance, here's an intro that I did for a video for a client. What is Moodle? And when you preview it, see, actually, same arm, same marker. And that sound is something that squeak is something I put with just a whiteboard sound that I added in. So I'll show you some stuff on Doodly here. Let's go to go back here. Okay. My videos. Okay, so let's create a new video. Let's do it on a whiteboard. Watch me work. What's the resolution? I like good resolution. I resolve, and we'll do that. So we'll create. Link for Doodle. Let me just find that for you. Doodly edit. Let's see. Hey, that's. Let me just look off screen here. I might have they might have a referral link here. Maybe not. No, not there. So let's see. Doodly. Doodly.com. Oh, I think it's, yeah, that's it. Doodly.com. You know what I would suggest doing? Go on Facebook, search for Doodly, or create my own doodle, or something like that, and see what ads start to show up on Facebook. And I bet you they might have some kind of promotion or something like that. But anyways, so it's doodly.com. Move this back over here. Okay. All right. So what we can do, I think, what do we do here? We put, well, let's let's drag this over here. We get this guy, and I can change that text here to hello everyone in Joomla land. William says same with YouTube. That's how you found him. Yeah. Hello everyone, Joomla land. And do we want to do a word wrap? Yes. And we'll do done. And that's obviously pretty big. Hello everyone, do that. Okay, bear with me because I've not used this in a while. Okay, here we go. Let's grab this here and make this a bit wide. Okay, there we go. Now I also have text too that's underneath there, so I'm going to delete that. And so now we can put this up here and we can center this. And now if we preview it, they just have the hand that's there and kind of just follows along and slowly fills in making things. And of course you can add music to it down here. That's where I found some whiteboard sounds, and I actually put them on there just so it didn't just look like so that there's actual sound of it writing on there. Now there's also some stuff that you can do in here, which is, let's see, we can flip this guy. No, you can enter animation. He gets drawn. Oh, here's some different sound clips that you can put in there. I'm really nervous about using sound stuff on YouTube for not getting copyright strikes. Exit animation, you can erase them. So let's see, that's for this guy coming in. We can draw him. We can actually draw him a little bit slower, and we can give him a color. We can make him red, and we can apply. So for me, it was really nice and basic. Now, here's one of the things that I found limiting, and maybe I just don't know how to do it or to change it, is that if this guy's all red, but if I wanted him to have blue glasses, you can do it, but there's some super tricky ways to do it. And maybe it's just I don't understand the limitations or the challenges of software like this too. But if you wanted to get super... Okay, see ya, Imran. If you want to get super fancy, it's very detailed to do this. And maybe I don't know if there's software out there where you can just actually just tap on an area and it changes the color. All right. And the other thing too is that you can, well, here, let's just preview this change. He'll get drawn slower. See? Which actually looks a lot nicer. And this is just one of their stock. Oh, there we go. And we erase him at the end. So that's where you'd erase him and you want to put something else in. Characters. Yeah, up here you have a lot of characters to choose from that you can drag into things. Props. Oh, these are things that I uploaded. So for instance, that was in one particular video. Now here's something so this is a graphic, and when we click on it, and we go up to bring forward, okay, there's a gear up here. What I did was this, I had draw for 3 seconds, and apply, and over here we're going to drag this up to the top so it comes on first. When we preview, it actually, it actually drew the outline there, what you can see, and then it squiggled in a bunch of stuff, which was pretty good for just a GIF. Let's move this over the way. Again, let's get this guy out of here. All right, so let's see. How did we... edit. Oh, okay. So here, what you can create paths. So for instance, see these blue dots here. The path is probably the order that this goes in the preview up here. So you start up here, watch the preview, and then it goes dot, 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 all the way around. And then path 2 is this squiggle line there. So I can actually delete this path. And I can delete this path. And I can, now, let's see here. If I click here, no, path, all right. I just have to, okay, here's your option up here. It will just scroll down like that. But if, let's do a new, how do I edit this path here? There's a way that I can add those, oh. All right, here's path 1. So watch, just for something ridiculous, which you would never do, I can create this path for the hand to go and end up there. All right, let's delete path 2. Okay, and let's make this animation a bit longer. And now we have the preview up here. But see, it's, you would never do that. The way what's happening here. Because, you know, here we go. It goes down, goes across, it goes down, and it goes up. I mean, no one would ever draw an item like that, right? So if we delete this, here's more what you would do. And the path size too, you want to do here. So we would start here. Let's make the path size a bit more. We'll go to there. And we'll go down to here. Now notice that this shows the flow of the hand. So we don't want that there. We can move that in. Then we put a dot here. And again, tighten that up just a little bit. And a dot. Yes, the path size. That's right, Chuck. Now the cool thing is that we can then do a new path. And watch, we can go here, here, and then here to do the 1. And then we can do a new path. Go here, 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 here. Anyway, so what you want to do is just cover over what you're writing. Yeah, I like that. And do one more. Let's go see. We could go here and then here. Let's move that bit over there. And then so you go 5, and then we could go over to here, to there, 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 to there. And now when we preview, we'll get the outline, which we could fix, but here, this is the hand sort of drawing it. Now notice it's really rough because that's just showing the path. Let's preview that. Okay, save and return. Yeah, no worries. All right, so we've dragged that over. Now let's preview. Yeah, so the one little problem here in that preview is that my path was not wide enough, so the numbers look really crappy at first. Plus my path is skinny around the outside edge there, so that's why you notice. All right, anyway, so that just as an idea of some of the customization that can be done there. What else have we got here? Different fonts, and you can, this is a font that I added myself. Sounds, oh, there's sounds that I added. That's the dry erase marker. So actually what I did was I took those, you can put them down in, down here probably, yeah, down in the bottom. And let's see here. That's not working. So, oh, it's got to be green. Oh, can't overlap. Okay. So you end up with something like this. And I actually watch this over and over again. I slide the sound effects along just so that it sort of fits. Fits with the actual movements. And there's the erasing because we erased that guy who was behind there. So it's all laying it out. Marketplace. Oh, this is where you can buy images from them. Image bag. Now, see, these are colored. So obviously there's a way to color them. Yeah, it's like Camtasia, Vinny, in the sense of dragging things around. And down in the bottom having the different tracks and that. There's a whole community around this too. So obviously, for instance, here's a pack of stuff. $27 for. Here, let's mute this here. Okay, so somehow they're coloring them. So obviously it's possible. They don't get colored until after they're drawn. So I think there's, I don't know, there's some way, obviously there's a way to do it. Let's check out Doodly here. What are their prices? So I got like a one-time use thing. So I things that's been working well for me. We've got so for instance, I have through what's it called? AppSumo. And that's something that Vinny got me onto, or was something we were looking at in a live stream here. And I've gotten a couple of really good apps from AppSumo. Hold on for. Oh boy. Excuse me. So I like those one-time purchases, especially if you have a project. If it works for that, then it's paid for itself, and then it's just a tool that you have, if you remember that you have it. And so it's definitely something that try to get it for the one-time purchase. Excuse me. See, $39 a month or $69 a month. And I got it for a one-time purchase. So and it was a sale like at the end of the year or something. So all right, Bretsy's shared a thing here, alternative2.com. Let's check that out. Which went to alternative2.net. That's a cool site. Doodly. All right. Okay, so Powtoon is a presentation software that has themes of animated characters, props, and cool transitions. All right, so we can check that out. But then here you got the subscription that costs between $19 and $197. Go to their official website. And let's see, discover. Marketing video. Okay, so these are, that's for enhancing a video. Oh, putting text on it. Oh, that's cool. Gauge your audience. Okay, so this is putting graphics on top of a video. And their pricing. $19 a month for the Pro version. Yeah, so exports. You can do an export, but it has their branding up to 3 minutes. Storage for things. Okay. Look at that Pro, 5 premium exports per month. Wow. You know, if you're making a living in graphics, then of course this is just the price of doing business, especially if you're charging your clients enough to cover that. So that's not necessarily bad, but it's not that's not free. Of course, you're just looking for a free alternative. It's a good way to. That's a cool site, Bjorn. What else have we got here? Video Scribe, Movely, Raw Shorts, Academic Presenter, Presentation Tube. No. So it doesn't look like there's... now, Toonly is the other one that William mentioned. And let's just check out their pricing. $39 a month. Okay. Characters, animations, prop images, backgrounds, pre-made scenes, invitation Toonly Facebook group. So it looks very similar. Features, explainer videos. Easy to use, feature request. Yeah, I'd just be interested to. I want to watch some of their example. Oh, now this one, yeah, that one looks very much like Camtasia. Oh, and look at this. They have the same someone from someone recently. Hey, look, it's me. Before, well, that's sort of a goatee. Create your own cartoon sales video. The big, yeah, so the big thing for me is the coloring. But again, I've not used Doodly in a long time. And somewhere I have it open on my computer. And I know that there was a Facebook group or something where people were giving examples of things they had done in actual painting. And it looked harder to me. Let's see. Let's take a look at the technology category here. Oh, that's in the marketplace. Scenes. My library, so I don't have anything. Characters. Trendy characters. Yeah, they have a lot of characters. And I know they add in there every month. If I remember that right. Club. Shared. Props. Let's go categories. Shapes. Yeah, so we can always... Yeah, William, I was thinking the same thing. If Doodly and Toonly are the same company, just different offerings, and they have the one-time price sale. Oh, who's got the one-time price sale as well? But I bet you they do. You know, it's the same thing with the. Here, I'll show you this. Both. Okay, both have the one-time price. Bjorn's got the... Oh, how to add color to my images. Oh, okay. How can I add color to my images? For existing images, we do offer Doodly Rainbow. Option that automatically turns the default black and white images into color. You can simulate coloring in any asset that you want into the app to replicate an image being colored. Import the Doodly Rainbow. Let's check this out. Oh, the Doodly Rainbow add-on. Okay. let's just see how much it is here. Let's see. So cybersalt@gmail.com. And I'm going to test. Is this obfuscated? Yes, it is. Good. I think that's what I just changed it to. Right. Oh, $67. Woohoo! Wow. All right. Well, I'll make money off the internet. They might as well make money too. All right. Well, I won't do that just yet because I would probably wait until I have another client that would need that, and then I would get it. Especially since I have this one price all thing here. But okay, so it looks like that you can actually pick a color, and then you can just go through and you can make certain things a certain color, and then just do those strokes like it did. All right, good. So I was going to say, and it looks like I am missing something here. Let me just show you here. I'll have to find it on my other screen here. Where was it? No. Okay, yeah. I'll show you here. A long time ago, before Pixabay and Unsplash, I saw an ad for Stock Unlimited. This one comes up on AppSumo sometimes. And you can get images here. Now they have $19 a month for a monthly subscription, $79 a month for their $79 for the annual subscription. But when this site launched, they came up with a sale which was I think it was like $50 US, unlimited membership. And so I thought, hey, that's pretty good because I'm forever trying to find free images that are okay to use. At that point it was. And it was just super hard to find them. So I thought, I do this once, and that's just going to save me the time. I just go here and use these images. And so I do have this one here. Now look, I'm mouse away. So then they say, oh, look at this. Here's your special offer. Only $4.42 a month if you're leaving. No, thank you. I prefer expensive photos. So let me just, I lost this shortcut here. I'm going to put that on there. But of course now there's Pixabay, which is absolutely free, and there's also Unsplash. But my point is that grab them. I think a lot of these are the same companies because you think about it. If you could duplicate your site, run a promotion, saying, hey, look, here's a one-time membership to use all these royalty-free pictures. It's just a different location. You charge, let's say you're doing your lifetime membership for $50 or $49.95 or whatever, and you get, let's say you get 1,000 people to sign up for that site. You now have just made $50,000 by duplicating your site. So I think a lot of them do that, and they're just marketing them in different ways in different places. And that's what it's like navigating web. So there's a bunch of other software that you can. There's a lot of that stuff that comes up. So yeah, you kind of watch. Now, so for images, we don't worry about it. And of course, for them, look, they've got Squarespace. They're running an ad for Squarespace. So they're making money. Okay. Yeah, so I've done well grabbing a couple of those things. The one, for instance, I'll show you this one. App Tools, relay that. This is where this was a. Now this is not as good as Canva. Canva, man, I wish I had a lifetime membership to Canva because it is really, really, really excellent tool. Canva is probably worth paying monthly if you were using it a lot, but I just needed something that would make it easier for me to do my thumbnails for the video. So when I go on, and this is only for Maintenance Monday really right now. Well, and others will show you. When I go to change, do a thumbnail for a podcast, for a live stream, I duplicate the previous one, And then just go in, and I've got the template all set up. So this is relay that, and I got a membership one time on AppSumo. Maybe the company is just starting out, but I thought, man, even if this doesn't last me for very long, the time it will save me to not have to constantly be doing my own thumbnails and doing the layouts and that will be worth it. And so I've used this. I don't know how many times have I used this. There's 152. I've used this since Maintenance Monday 88, it looks like. Yeah, 88. So I'm up to 150. So I've used it 70 times to quickly bang out a thumbnail for this. I've also used it with a totally different layout. This is where I do my thumbnails for Joomla releases. And I just duplicate them. I go in. I can just change I change the photo. I change the Joomla version. That's all I have to do there. And it has tons of other things. I've actually done some ads in here too. What have I done ads for? I think these are something that we use for the refugee work that we've done. We've made just, and you can make banners and stuff. It's pretty cool. Well, Vinny says he just couldn't do relay that. Yeah, and use Photoshop. Yeah, so let me, just while it's getting very eclectic today, let's go to, and see, I use Paint Shop Pro. So let's go here, Paint Shop Pro. Don't need to upgrade. There's my file, and let's go open recent files. All right. So this is the thumbnail for today that Bjorn did not get to see. And again, I just sort of duplicate these. And I have the different layers here. But I'm not great at graphics. It doesn't just come to me. So I just kind of have my different images here, and then I get a free image and put it on. This image is hiding in the background. See, there's let's see. Oh man. So anyways, I'm not really great at graphics. If I hide that, we see, there's a lock from a long time ago. There's marbles from another screen ago. If I take this out, we'll end up a picture with his name escapes me just right now. And that's from another thumbnail. So yes. And GIMP is another one. GIMP is another free very powerful photo editor and graphics thing. I've not GIMP didn't have a full screen version for a while. I couldn't figure out. So GIMP has been very confusing for me. It's very hard for me to figure out. If I were going to change at this point photo editors, I would probably do Photoshop, because it's now available as a SaaS. And so I would just start using that, because it has some features that I haven't figured out in Paint Shop Pro yet. Okay, Vinny says Affinity, it's not free, but it's $49.95. So yep, you kind of get using what you get used to. Just I guess since we're talking about peeking behind the curtain here, here's my folder for Watch Me Work live stream. Mostly thumbnails, and then of course images when I've added people here. Yannick Berges, yes, that's who that face was. But so basically I've got the PSP image file here, and I have the exported image that I use for the thumbnail, and some just little graphics tucked in there. Other pictures there from past things. And Chuck says updates to next version. Yeah, 50% say at least once a year. Yes. So upgrade to version 1, and then you'll need to pay to upgrade. Yeah, that's the yeah. So a lot. Yeah, look for those sales. Look for those one-time things. Uh, buy an older version. Maybe get the upgrade. So Chuck, you're talking about Affinity. There. You guys are talking about Affinity. All right. Well, while you talk about that, let's just see. I do not have the email yet from DBB. Oh, so I'll have to check into that. DBB. It's not in my spam either. I don't think it's in my spam. Let's see. It's loading. You know, when you said to check the spam folder, I actually was looking for. I searched for the domain to see email, but apparently the email filter does not show. I looked for dbb.com and it didn't show up, so I figured it hadn't arrived. But actually, filtering that does not show up in the spam filter. Stuff that's gone to spam does not show up when you're filtering. That's what I'm saying. I thought it would if you just specifically. So I do have the confirmation email here. So let's see here. Let me just fix that over here. Click the link. Okay, let's go to the login page. And we'll sign in. Okay. We are logged in. Let me regroup here. Vinny's considering cutting the cord from Adobe. You've been playing around DaVinci Resolve. You like it, but it's slowing you down a lot. Prezi says you too. Ivor has shareware deals. Let's check that site out here. All right. Corel Draw, Graphics Suite. Okay, cool. So let's see. We searched for a coupon for Doodly. Nope. How about for Toonly? Nope. Search for Adobe. Paint Shop. No. Oh, that's a cool site though. COVID-19 giveaway of a WinRAR Magix Vegas Pro 15 Vegas. I wonder what Magix Vegas Pro 15. That's video software that I use. Vegas Pro. It's up to 18 though, so I don't know why they would have a list for version 15. This is I use that for video. McAfee Live Safe Vast. All right, so you could go here and obviously, Trend Micro CCleaner Pro, 50% off CCleaner. All right, so they got cool. All right, let's go back to DB. We're logged in here, Mr. Tim Davis. There's two S's in my name. Uh-oh. Okay, dashboard. Oh, there's a quick database wizard. All right. Let's go here. The query and browser wizard will automatically create search form enabling your users to search your data. Create report divided into pages containing all the records. Okay. Please upload an Excel spreadsheet. All right. I might actually have that. Well, let me pick over here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Where am I going to find an Excel spreadsheet that I can upload? Let's see. No, can't do that. That's got usernames in it. There's a bank statement. I can't do that. Sort by type. Microsoft Excel, Word, agenda. No, related keywords. Related keywords. What causes wrongful convictions? Yeah, okay. Oh, people also search. Let's try this here. Upload. Invalid typo. It's got to be an Excel sheet. Okay. Let's see. EX. Cell. I'm going to give my mom's contacts. Export. Oh, I wonder what that file is. Open it up. No, can't do that. That's got emails in it. Maybe I'll just make one. Excel app. We'll start there. Let's open over here. Make a blank worksheet. Date. First name. Last name. Phone number. Let's save this as a DBB test. I'm going to save that document. Let's actually go here, file, save, copy, and let's put it in browse. Let's put it in delete, save. Vinny, my mom is doing well. I talked to her on the phone a couple of days ago. You naughty boy. Okay, so upload. Browse, delete, and we'll open, we'll upload. See if that's acceptable to it. Okay. Something's happening. Here's the project name. All right. Column name. Yep. Column label. Include in the list. Okay. Define the report list page. Column name field. Column label field. Yeah. Date. Include in the list. Okay. So there we go. Date. First name. Last name. Phone number. All right. Did that list for accent insensitive search. All right, let's save and deploy. Video might be a little bit not great right here. Okay, as my computer crunches through this. All right. Here's the embed code. Here's the Joomla plugin code. Put that there. Did we use the EDB plugin or the IDB plugin? Let's go back here. Ooh, there's a scary face. Close all. Don't need that. Get out of Toonly. Out of that. Doodly. And we're in here. EDB is what we used. Okay. So we go into here. I enable this. Save and close. I go to an article. Content articles. Add new article. Call this EDB test. DBB test. Paste that tag in there. Give them a feature so it just shows up in the front page. And we'll save that. Okay. Oh, there's the tag. Oh, look at that. Oh, no secrets yet. No secrets. Refresh. Okay, what did I grab here? Yeah. There's EDB. EDB is the plugin we put in there. I used the wrong code. All right, let's try that. And do that. We'll refresh. Okay. Oh, look. Something's happening. Okay, so no matching records. I had no records in that. But we got that working. Let's put that on its own page here. We have that working. So it must be, is it so that I can go what is that? I just got a reminder of something. Oh, okay. Okay, so now we can manage databases and we can upload replacements. Select the database, yeah. I can upload a new one. Okay, so this is just for uploading. All right, so you don't manage them on here. You just upload the latest one there. Okay. So let's see here. Did I close Excel? It looks like I closed Excel. Excel. And there's this one here. We'll open. All right. So I'm gonna do. I'll do. I guess I should do a separate video on this because it is pretty cool. All right. So here's the date. So today is August 19th, correct? All right, August 19. First name, Tim Davis. And the phone number, 250. There you go, yeah. All right, so next, let's say it's the November 20 November. First name is Susan, and we'll go Davis, and we'll go 250, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I save this, and then I browse, and I upload that new spreadsheet over it, oh, look at that, an SQL connection. Wow, I'm going to check that out in a second. Upload. Okay, so now let's go back here and refresh. That will reload that. No matching records. Let's see, is there Tim? I wonder, did it not update right away? Let's see here. Maybe there's a delay. Oh no, look, here's collecting forms for data. Okay. Okay. Query and browse. I think I'm on the right track here. And here, you can create something to collect data. And you can update your databases online anytime from any place. Huh. A few things to check out here. All right, let's check this out again here. Well, I certainly learned about checking for filtering for messages that are in spam. Date, Tim. Nothing showing up there yet. I don't think that would change. Wouldn't change the code, I don't think, would it? It's deployed. Let's see, edit the project. No, this is going to go through everything originally. Sheet 1. So this is the database here. Sheet 1. Column label is the top. Preview. I didn't change anything. Oh, yeah, cool. Links for a one-time deal for Toonly and Doodly, respectively. Nice. Get Doodly one-time price. Just looking off at the side here to that. Yeah, $67 for a one-time payment. Now, when you sign up for that, there is some other upsell stuff. But and I think I update it to one other thing. I forget what it was, but yeah. Thanks for sharing that, William. Get the code. I don't think the code would change, right? Not the iframe code or Joomla code, the EDB plugin.
I can't figure out on the internet how to do a screening test or get a hosting.
Okay, so
COVID testing. So I'm wondering if you can help me, or if I should just call it 811.
Okay, so let's see here.
I want to start.
No, that's not it. Collect manager. I'm going to check in the article here if this changed. No, it didn't change. I didn't expect that it would. So we're just working on delay here. Or perhaps I've done something not right. Let's see. I did the ones from desktop delete. Pretty sure that's what I updated. Do. Okay. I did save the file. That's what I was just wondering. I mean, I can do this here. Let's do another one. September 9th. Someone else. 250-789. All right, save. Oh, clear cache. All right, so let's try this here. Guru WP, have you ever done a tutorial on how to set up my sites? I'm thinking about buying it, but I want to make sure it works with the Kiva backup. Have you used it to back up a WordPress site too? Yes, Guru WP, I have. Let me get you that video. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay. All right. So select. All right. I'm going to browse. I'm going to pick this here. I think it was probably that cache button there. All right, so we upload that. Guru WP, you need the pro version of Akiba Backup in order to spawn backups remotely, and so that's not a mysite.guru thing. That's that's just for all things now with Akiba Backup. But let's see here. Yes, hello, Dirk. All right, so we've got that there. This projects. Let's go to my dashboard, maybe. Let's go down to the bottom to this here. I'm going to use this gear and go clear cache. All right, now let's go here to article. Okay, so let's refresh this. Hopefully that works. Show me some data. Womp womp. All right, well, I think I'm doing everything right. I wonder if it's just delayed. Unless I've not set up something properly. I'll have to try that. Anyways, well, all right. So wrap up a few loose ends, and then we'll continue on here. So our Joomla Extension Roulette has taken us down quite a road today, and something else that we'll have to. I'll check this later on and see if it works for me, or if anyone else figures. If you try it too on your site, or try playing around and get it working, let me know. Don't forget about the Slack group. Yes, there's a WordPress version for keep. Anyway, so I'll wrap this up. A few things. Don't forget about the Slack group where we can keep talking about these things afterwards. Also, hey, what do you think about this? It's the basic Joomla tutorial Slack group, but I was thinking about changing that, possibly making that Slack channel more of a broader community channel based sort of on, so my CyberSalt business. So we would have a WordPress section as well. Oh, please don't hate me. But I didn't know about maybe, and of course the name Basic Joomla Tutorials community is super long too. So I thought about maybe changing it to CyberSalt or something like that. Anyways, let me know what you think about that. Also, don't. That's all right. See, Guru, Bredsy says it's okay with him. It's all in good fun, Guru. Guru WP. Okay, so something to think about. We'll check it. We'll talk about it in that. Because we all get along pretty well, and it might be good to have just a more general area. I just don't know what to make that. So you use Joomla mostly, okay? We'll see. There might actually be channels that we can set. So. We'll think about it. I've thought about it for a while and sort of dismissed it and not thought about it and that. So we'll see. I can also create something else as well. I just didn't know if something broader might be good or not. So anyways. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go to... you know what? I don't have the paid version for Akiba Backup for WordPress. So I'm not going to be able to demonstrate that. I will be able to, so I can't. Actually, you still use Joomla, but your business being taken over by WordPress, and you love Joomla more than WordPress. Yeah, I think that's the case for all of us. I have no doubt that it should run backups from there. We could always check with Phil too. So, it does though, and I have been updating WordPress sites with my sites too. Bjorn says the whole world too. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, there we are, right there. It's yeah. All right. So I'm not going to be able to show you that that works, but I'm sure that it does. And yeah, don't forget, basic Joomla is the coupon code if you subscribe to my sites. And you get my sites is Joomla and WordPress, so it doesn't matter. It is basic Joomla, but you get the first month for free if you subscribe to my sites. So mysites.guru. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Check with Nicholas. Who are you, Guru WP? What's your name? Do we know your name from around in the community and that? Yeah, you could send him. You could definitely send him a note. All right. Well, what time are we at here? 1:06. All right. I'm going to do one quick thing here. Let's go change this to chat on the right. I'm going to open up the Slack app here. I'm going to go to basic Joomla community. We're going to go to invite people. We're going to go to get an invite link and create link. We'll copy that, and then I'm going to paste that in. So for those of you that maybe not have joined yet, oh, Stephen. Okay, yeah. Hi, Stephen. I've seen you around. Sure, of course. Yeah. There's the Slack group. We're just a friendly bunch in there. We don't. Not too much happens in there, but who knows? Who knows what will keep happening or hitting? So, yeah, I think I'll wrap it up there, everyone. Oh, your wrench went away. That's right, because you did have a wrench. Oh, well, should we give a wrench to Stephen, even though he has word WP in his name? There you go. There's a wrench for you. Your wrench is back. That's why I didn't recognize you. Yes. I not to talk too much about no problem. Not to talk too much. I am in the throes of starting a channel for WordPress tutorials as well. But I'm not going to be doing live streams or anything like that. So, anyways, there's the Slack. Join that. I may do some live streams, but it's going to be more. I'm passionate about Joomla and enjoy Joomla, so I can't. So I'm going to leave the fun for here, but I do want to. I have considered starting a channel with that too. But anyways, as you guys know, those of you who know me well, I've got lots on the go, lots of ideas, and I'm very light on follow through sometimes. So. All right, everybody, I'm going to wrap things up there. Also, someday I've got to find a way so that this microphone does not bob back and forth. I can attach it to the wall. My camera's attached to the wall, but this is attached to my table. It goes up and down with it. So I don't know what I can do about that. Actually, maybe I can do the same thing okay, well, we'll see. Everybody, thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for the fun. Should we play Joomla Extension Roulette another time? Leave a comment and pick some numbers. Maybe we'd have to come up with a random number generator that knows the number of categories, and that. Who knows? Anyways, I enjoyed it. I enjoy hanging out with you guys. And gals. All right, everybody. There we go. Thanks for tuning in today. Bredsy says yes. Dirk, thanks for Dirk. Have you been on the Have you been in the live stream before? You look a lot like Guru WP. You have the same avatar, but random number, something like that. A wheel. Guru. Oh, Dirk. So thanks for coming, Dirk. Where are you? Where in the world are you? What do you? See you later, Ivor. It's your first time. Well, thanks for first time watching. I think you. You're in Germany. Okay, so you're getting ready. It's the end of your day there in Germany. Thanks for tuning in. All right, everybody. It's been a great couple of hours. We've had some fun. We'll do this again and keep working away on things. Stephen, have a good rest of your afternoon in New York. Everybody, wherever you are, whether it's evening or afternoon, morning or tomorrow, hope everything's well with you. Keep safe. Enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.